This is just about the worst flight I ever have. Can you hear that? Those motherfuckers sneezing and cacking away. I'm just so sick of the whole goddamn thing. The whole flight, including business class, is fully booked. This stupid Singapore asshole tagging around my back. I just want to break his goddamn motherfucking face. Don't you? I hate them. Even if I'm in Japan, I still meet these fucking Singaporeans. Fucktards, morons. Step on my toes one more time, and I swear to you, I don't care. I've got nothing to lose. I'm gonna beat the shit out of him here in the airport. If I lose my flight, so be it. Anyway, I'm just dying from the crowds. Acrophobia is at its max right now, and I'm just going crazy. Sneezing, cacking, coughing. Motherfucker.